Hi everyone, I wanted to take a second today to show off our services. Lately I've run into a lot of people who haven't heard of or just don't know much about laser therapy, which shocks me. So let's take a look at just what laser therapy does. First, let me explain. Laser therapy is the process of treating injured areas with the energy from the laser, which stimulates damaged, injured, or otherwise dysfunctional cells to function like normal, healthy cells again. The results are pain relief, inflammation reduction, increased circulation, and accelerated healing. That's right, we don't mask injuries or pain, we stimulate the damaged areas to heal and recover. Our client today suffers with lower back issues. Here we're just finishing up the first part of his treatment. I always like to have our clients rotate the joint or body whenever possible. The movement opens up new angles, allowing for the energy from the laser to penetrate deeper to where it's needed. Now we're switching to what's called the massage ball attachment, and is everyone's favorite part of the treatment. Everyone loves the massage ball because they get a much needed massage. Also, anytime you can physically address the tissues, you're able to work toxins out of those tissues. It also helps to break up scar tissue. Our laser manufacturer also happens to be the only company that has an on-contact attachment. They own the patent. Not only does it feel good, but the massage ball is pushing tissue to the side as it glides over the skin. Clinically, this allows for deeper penetration of the energy of the laser to the impacted areas, resulting in quicker recovery times and the best possible outcome. This diagram that I've attached illustrates just how the massage ball works. I hope this video has helped you get a better understanding of laser therapy. And remember, not all therapy lasers or laser therapy offices are created equal. So do your research. And remember, live your life without pain.